Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to check Instagram account login device. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app. Click on your profile and tap on three-line option. Okay, click on account center and tap on this option. Okay, click on this option, tap on your Instagram profile and show your account this all device. Okay, then select then select and tap on logout. Click on logout. How to check Instagram account login device. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.